Well, hello everybody. Lisa here. I'm here with your Monday evening check-in, day 26 of day 31 of our 31 Days of Temptations. Tara and I were just talking today that we cannot believe that it's almost over. Next Saturday is August 31st. So you know what that means. It means all the sale pricing goes away, all the special pricing goes away, and you won't see us every day. Well, actually, yes, you will, because we're going to keep doing these Facebook check-ins and these lives. And hi, Mark. Hi, Cindy. Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining in. Hi, Anne-Marie. My gosh, Monday night, right? Hi, Lil. I love how everybody's joining in here. Hi, Stephanie. So I want to do a quick check-in because tonight on QVC2, there's a bonus edition of In the Kitchen with Mary, 3 hours from 6 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So please be sure to check us out because we have 3 great items in the show. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Kathy. Wow, so many of you jumping on. Rosalia, you purchased more than 40 items. Well, then you must have gotten everything new because we had about 40 plus new items. So that's awesome, Rosalia. Thank you. Hi, Jen. Hi, Evelyn. Hi, Mary. Hi, Betty. Hi, Erin. Let's give a big shout out to Tara and Ed as well, everybody. Give a big hello to Tara and to Ed. Erin says, hi, Lisa. I don't want August to end. Neither do we. This is so much fun, isn't it? So, hey, here's what I wanted to let you know. I'm going to actually turn the camera around because I just want to give you a heads up about a few things because there's been so much excitement and so many new things going on that I want to make sure that you're aware of kind of what's on sale, what's going on, what's going to kind of end at the end of the month. So hi, Denise. Hi, Marissa. Hi, Jerry. Coco. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Denise again. So let me turn this around. Okay, let's talk Tara at Home. So many of our Tara at Home items are on sale. If you go to QVC.com and just type in Tara at Home, you're going to see we have Woodland, we have that awesome Olive Flutter. Hi, Diane. Hi, Christy. Hi, Tamika. Again, some more wavelength. And we debuted a brand new pattern called Divine. Now, a lot of the Tara at Home is on sale, but here's the deal. The sale goes away at the end of the day on Saturday. Hi, Cindy. Nice to see you. Just wanted to let you know, okay, heads up, full disclosure, the sale pricing goes away. So, by the way, I'm going to back up. Have you seen our beautiful Tara at Home pieces sneak peeking? Maybe behind David, in the kitchen with David and other kitchen shows. It's just amazing. So, you know, we have so much going on. What have been your favorite items? I know I've been loving the buffetti and the linens. I know Tara loves the linens too. Oh, Valerie, we'll give a big shout out to Tara and Ed. Rosalia, everybody give a big hello. Hugs and kisses to Tara and Ed. They've been such an integral part of all of this, as you know, and Tara just designing so many incredible things for all of you. And thank you for over 300 people who jumped on. Wow, this is awesome. All right, I'm going to turn the camera back around. We're going to talk what's going on in our final countdown of the 31 Days of Temptations. By the way, Wednesday night, 7 p.m. is the last hour show of our mini-series, live studio audience. And Mary Miller, I know we're going to see you there. Live studio audience with Alberti. How much fun is that going to be? Hi, Aubrey. Oh, hi, Sally. Hi, Annette. All right, I'm going to turn this around. I just want to show you a couple things. First of all, check this out. So at about 6:30-ish on, again, In the Kitchen with Mary on QVC2 tonight, a bonus In the Kitchen with Mary, we have these oven mitts and trivets. So customer requests. We literally married 4 customer requests together. We have the oven, the mini mitts, the oven mitts, and then we have those awesome trivets, an 11x7 and the 9x13. Here's the thing that I want you to know. Hi, Terry Smith. The free shipping and handling goes away at the end of the day today. It's really important that you know that. Free shipping and handling on all these go away at the end of the day today. Here's the new colors, the gray damask, the green palm, that beautiful, that Caribbean blue trellis, and then of course all your core colors that you know and love. Oh, and by the way, 2 sizes. I love that we have it in a small and a large. Okay, check this out. This is our lighted picture that is coming up on Wednesday night at 7 p.m. You'll see a live presentation of it. But do you see the little holes in it right there? This actually illuminates. So on the bottom you see there's a battery pack. These literally just came into the studio. So I'm not even sure if there's a battery in one of those. I'm going to check it out in a second. But you can actually use that as a picture, even though it has a battery, and then it illuminates at nighttime. How cool is that? Now, here's the thing. We did the Old World and the Floral Lace mix. I'm being told by people in my home office that this is super popular. Confetti is super popular in this. There's a, go.com, there's a bunch of colors, but this is selling very fast. I hope it makes it to Wednesday night. And then I just have to give a big shout out to our food stylists. Look at the soup that they made in this awesome little 2-quart covered pumpkin baker in Buffetti. All right, who loves Buffetti, give me a ghost emoji. All right, got to see it. Hi, Joyce. Joyce is from the home office. And hi, Tara. Hi, Ed. Here's what else is on tonight, you guys. We have these mini loaf pans. Don't miss out on these. These are what we have now. They're great gifts. You won't see the harvest pattern back again. So the top 4, you're going to get the floral lace pumpkin, the Buffetti, the harvest, and then there is the pumpkin patch. They all come with the gift box. And then look at this. We have those great core colors where we mixed them for you. It's the mix and match of Old World and floral lace. Okay, a couple of other things. Again, I don't want you to miss out on anything because things are starting to sell out and this big event ends on Saturday. So look how adorable. You know, I'm sure a lot of you have bought all of these things. We just want to show you. I'm sorry, I'm laughing at all the ghost icons. Thank you for loving Buffetti. Okay, if you love the harvest or the pumpkin patch, I need a pumpkin icon. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Look how adorable this all is. Now, we're going to walk down the hallway, and I'm going to turn the camera around. Not that you want to look at me, but trust me, I'm going to make you seasick if we walk down here. All right, did you see Tara on air yesterday? So, a lot of our Christmas items debuted yesterday, and I just want to give you kind of just a recap of all of them so that you can see. Hi, Tara. Hi, Ed. Hi, Joyce. This is awesome. Rosalia, all those pumpkins. I love it. All right, here we go. Cookie jar. Did you see our adorable cookie jar right here? Look at this. It's in our Winter Whimsy. And did you notice right there? Has a silicone gasket, which is awesome. Oh, look at the cute little cookies inside. It's so cute. But again, these are all limited edition. We're not making them again. And all we have is what we have. So those little whimsy characters that you know and love. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Then we have the church right there, which I just think is beautiful. Mary Miller, did you get them all? Seriously? I know, Jen Botts. I love the linens too. I digress. All right, let's look at the cookie jar. Sneaking back there, we have our trays. We have the gingerbread. We have the nutcracker, and then I'm going to come around. Here's the snowman. He's been super popular, and they come in a gift box. But again, limited edition, right? And then, I don't know if you saw this teapot. I am obsessed with this teapot. Look how cute this is. Adorable, like for your gravies, your syrups, your teas, your hot chocolates. Amazing. Just love it all there. I see something peeking down there that you haven't seen, but I'm not allowed to talk about it. So let's move over this way. Okay. Now, I know you always say in the chats, can we have a sneak peek? Can we have a sneak peek? Can we see something up close that maybe we haven't seen on air yet? How about yes? Tara was like, Lisa, absolutely, I want you to do this tonight. Okay, so we have some towels, some linens, those microfiber towels in a set of 4. Look at this. Look how adorable these are. It's that microfiber, seriously, that you know and love. This is, I can't even tell you how soft it is. Look at this. We have harvest blessings falling for you. You don't have to choose. You get all 4. Fall is in the air, sweater weather, autumn days. And then look at this. Hey, pumpkin. Happy fall, y'all. It's pumpkin season. I can't. It's just so cute, right? But here is my absolute favorite. Wicked delicious, trick or treat. I'm here for the booze. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. Who else is obsessed with this? These are available online right now, but don't just miss out. This is the only order for this year. And then, oh, did you want to know if we had them in Christmas? We do. Look at this. Jingle Bell Rock, 'tis the season, eat, drink, and be merry. And again, you're getting all 4 of these. Absolutely adorable. Perfect, like as just a little touch on your table of the holiday season. Look how cute these are. But again, super popular. We're hoping that all of these make it to Wednesday night. And then the clocks. We have that awesome metallic clock right there. If you loved our platinum line before where we had the Christmas Eve and the floral lace snowflake with the silver and the gold, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look how cute our whimsy clock is. Oh my gosh. So I know, Denise, I love everything too. Everybody loves everything. That's the problem, right? It's a good problem to have. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek of those towels. And I don't know if you noticed, but there was a little other sneak peek I gave you over there. I know you're all going to find it, but it was great seeing you all again in the Kitchen with Mary bonus tonight, 6 to 9 p.m. Eastern time. And then, oh, hi, Linnea. 31 Days of Temptations, I bought everything. Sorry, I'm reading comments as we go. But join us from 6 to 9 p.m. tonight. And remember, those oven mitts and trivet, last day at free shipping and handling. So thank you. So many of you on. Wow, close to 400 people. So thank you so much. Hi, Ed Tesher. Everybody give a big shout out to Ed Tesher. And again, if you love the buffetti, what emoji do I get? I get the ghost. If you love the harvest and the pumpkin patch, I want to see the pumpkin. If you love the Christmas, let's see the Christmas tree. And if you love it all, I need to see all of those emojis together. So look forward to seeing you on QVC2 at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And then don't forget, Tara and Alberti, 7 p.m. Wednesday evening. It's our final show of the mini series, so you're still going to see some new there. Absolutely amazing live studio audience, so you know that is so much fun. Everybody have a great night. Thank you for joining in, and we will see you soon.